First thing we need to do is mash the graham crackers. Do you know how to mash the graham crackers?
No.
Do you want to get your masher? Do you want to get a hammer? Can you get the hammer? We got to mash the graham cracker. Can you get a hammer? Okay, you get. All right. Can you mash them? All right. You got to mash them real good, buddy. You got to break them. You want to try my special masher?
No.
Try my masher. Try that. Try the other side. Turn over. This side. Yep. Mash. Are they breaking?
Nope.
Looks like they're breaking. Okay, well, let's put them in the cup. Let's hold it steady. Oh. Can you help?
No.
Good job.
Woohoo!
Now we need to melt some butter. All right, it's time to melt the butter. How are we gonna melt it?
Cheese.
It's butter.
Butter.
It needs melted. How do we melt it?
This one.
On which one?
This one.
We cook it?
Yeah.
Okay, can we cook it in the microwave?
Yeah.
Okay, just the butter. We'll wait for that. All right?
Oh, what?
All right. All right, what do we have?
Double.
Dump it out? Help. It's hot. All right. What's next?
This one?
Not yet.
Huh?
We got to stir. We need a spoon.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah.
Go easy. Go easy.
Okay.
You're cooking?
That's what he's saying.
Excellent job.
Now.
Now we need to put it in a pan.
Yeah.
Where are we going to get a pan?
Aha.
So now we need to push gently into the pan. Can you do that? It won't hurt you. No, we're going to push it right in. And then you can wash your hands again after.
Yeah.
You don't want to touch it? Mash it. Mash it in there. No. Don't hammer it. Mash it. Push with your hand like that. See? Where's the cake?
No. A cake.
Dump in the cream cheese, buddy.
Yes.
All right. Crack it. A little harder. A little hard. Oh, it's cracked. That's good. Now pull it apart.
Crack. Yes, did it.
All right. Now we have to mix it. All right. Put it on.
Oh,
Would you like some help? Would you like some help?
Help.
Okay. Put it in here like this, and we gotta get right on the notch.
This one? Yeah.
Nope. Yep, that one. Crank it up. Can you go? All right, let's let it go. What's it doing?
It's round.
It's round.
Round. Thing.
So if we wait a minute, we'll add one more egg. I have it. I know, yeah. Hold on. Let's wait. Let's get it mixed in good. Ready? Faster? All right.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, nice job.
Look.
What are you making?
An egg.
You're adding an egg? What are you making?
Crack it.
You're gonna crack it?
Crack it.
It's cracked. We'll put it in. Ready?
Faster. Faster.
You want it to go faster?
It's faster.
All right, vanilla's in. Go ahead and mix it. Turn it on.
Yeah.
That's good.
Going.
It's going. What is it doing?
It's rounding.
It's called mixing.
Round. Yeah.
Are you going around just like the mixer?
Yeah.
All right, I think it's mixed.
What are you making?
Lucas. Hey, you ready to pour it in?
Yeah.
All right, pour it in. Use the spoon. Whoa, 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 no. This goes in there, bud. Use the spoon. Brush like that. Right in. Here. Try and keep it in the pan, okay? Gentle. Easy. Go easy. What is it?
It's a gigi.
It's a cake?
Down. It's going up. Look. Look.
All right, don't touch.
Going up.
What are we making?
I'm making the what?
What is it?
It's a cake.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What was it? A cake?
It's a cake.
Huh?
It's a cake.
All right.